Why do we wash airplanes? Aircraft are washed for several reasons, and regular cleaning is an essential part of aircraft maintenance. Here are some reasons why planes get washed. One, aerodynamic efficiency. Accumulation of dirt, grime, and insects on the surface of an aircraft can affect its aerodynamic efficiency. Clean surfaces help maintain the designed airflow over the wings and fuselage, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Two, fuel efficiency. A clean and smooth surface reduces friction and drag during flight, which contributes to fuel efficiency. Airlines and operators are often keen on minimizing fuel consumption, and keeping the aircraft clean is one way to achieve this. Three, weight reduction. Dirt and contaminants on the aircraft's surface can add weight. While this may seem negligible for a single flight, the cumulative effect over time can impact fuel efficiency. Regular washing helps in maintaining the aircraft's optimal weight. Four, corrosion prevention. Airborne contaminants, such as salt, can contribute to corrosion on the aircraft's exterior. Regular washing helps remove these corrosive elements, protecting the structural integrity of the aircraft and extending its lifespan. Five, preservation of paint and coatings. The paint and protective coatings on an aircraft serve not only aesthetic purposes but also protect the aircraft's surfaces from environmental elements. Regular washing helps preserve these coatings, preventing premature degradation. Six, instrument and sensor functionality. Dirt and grime can accumulate on sensors, probes, and other external instruments, potentially affecting their accuracy and functionality. Regular washing ensures that these critical components remain clean and operational. Seven, visibility. Clean windows and cockpit surfaces are crucial for the pilot's visibility. Regular washing helps maintain clear vision, especially during adverse weather conditions. Eight, passenger experience. Clean and well-maintained aircraft contribute to a positive passenger experience. Airlines often invest in the appearance of their aircraft as part of their brand image and customer service. Nine, regulatory compliance. Aviation authorities often have regulations and guidelines regarding the cleanliness and maintenance of aircraft. Airlines must adhere to these standards to ensure the safety and airworthiness of their fleets. Ten, prevention of contamination. Aircraft may pick up contaminants from various environments, including bird droppings and industrial pollutants. Regular washing helps prevent the spread of contaminants and maintains a clean, sanitary environment for passengers and crew. I hope you liked the video. For more, you can subscribe and open the notifications. There are daily maintenance or other aviation-related videos in our channel. Don't forget to comment what you want to know about airplanes so we can make a video about it.